Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. We have this system of equations to solve, and then we have x plus y equal to 2, x squared plus y squared equal to 4 over 3. Then if 1 and 2 is giving us this, what will be the value of x to the power of 2025 plus y to the power of 2025? So we are going to actually this question will make us think out of the box. It's not an usual method that you know. Okay, so just follow along, and then I will show you how this is done. First, let's I'm going to take down my solution. So I have I'm going to label these equations as A, x plus y equal to 2, and I have this as b, x squared plus y squared equal to 4 over 3, and then I have this as c, x to the power of 2025 plus y to the power of 2025. So I'm going to start with the first equation. That is, so from equation A, so I have x plus y equal to 2. So I'm going to take the square of both sides. So x plus y squared equal to 2 squared. And then of course, I'm going to expand this to give me x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equal to 4. So that is for the first equation. So then let me go to the one in the middle. From equation B, have x squared plus y squared equals to 4 over 3. So what I need to do is to clear the fraction by multiplying both sides by 3. So 3 times x squared plus y squared equal to 4 over 3 times 3. Okay, so this and this will cancel out. So I have 3x squared. By the time I distribute or expand the bracket, so I'll distribute the 3 over the terms in the bracket. So I have 3y squared equals to 4. So now if we compare, if I call this equation 1, I call this equation 2. So I compare equations 1 and 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2, I'm going to have it that x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equal to 3x squared plus 3y squared. So what I'm going to do now is to collect like terms. So I'll have x squared minus 3x squared. Okay, maybe I should do it this way. Let me do it this way. 2xy will be equal to, I'm going to transfer x squared and y squared to the other side. So I have 3x squared minus x squared plus 3y squared minus y squared. So that this will give me 2xy equal to 2x squared plus 2y squared. Now, I will need to do something here. I will need to multiply. I'm going to tweak it. Let me multiply both sides by x plus y, so that we can get the term x cubed plus y cubed. It's important to do that. So we have 2xy times x plus y equal to x plus y times 2x squared plus 2y squared. So once we open up the bracket, this will give us 2x squared y plus 2xy squared equal to this now will be x times 2x squared plus 2y squared plus y times 2x squared plus 2y squared. So let me simplify this side. So there's 2x cubed plus 2xy squared plus 2x squared y plus 2y cubed. So I have 2x squared y plus 2xy squared equal to that. So I'm going to now bring my let me bring over to this. So I'm going to move everything on this side to that side. So I'll just move everything to one side. So I have 0 equal to 2x cubed plus 2xy squared. Let me rewrite that. So I'm going to be having 0 equal to 2x cubed plus 2xy squared, and then I move this minus 2xy squared plus 2x squared y, 2x squared y minus 2x squared y, 2x squared y, then finally I have plus 2y cubed, so that this and this will cancel out each other, and then this and this will cancel out each other. So I can say that 0 is equal to 2x cubed plus 2y cubed. And then I have 0 equal to 2 bracket x cubed plus y cubed. Since 2 is common, so divide both sides by 2. So this will translate to x cubed plus y cubed equal to 0. And this will mean x cubed equal to minus y cubed. Now, I'm going to go over to this. Okay, that is the C from equation C. X to the power of 2025 plus y to the power of 2025. Now, this now can give me x to the power of, so this 2025 can actually be written as, I can actually write it as 3 times 675. If I divide 2025 by 3, so this will give me 6. This is 7, yeah, 675. So, and then I will have it as x to the power of 3 to the power of 675. This is because a to the power of m is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of n. So I take that way. But x to the power of 3 is the same thing as minus y to the power of 3. That's x cubed is the same thing as minus y cubed. So if I bring this here, I'm going to have minus y cubed all to the power of 675. So let me finish it off on this side. So now you can see that this is an odd exponent. So we have from here over to this. So we have equal to minus y cubed to the power of 675. Now we know that this is an odd exponent. Sorry about that. This is an odd exponent. And so because it is odd, this is actually going to remain as odd. So you have minus y cubed times 675. So that will give us minus y cubed. If you multiply this, that will be 2025. Therefore, x to the power of 2025 is actually equal to minus y to the power of 2025. And so if we go back here and say x 2025 plus y 2025 is equal to x 2025 minus y to the power of 2025. So this will give us 0. I see you guys in my next video. Thank you and remain blessed.